Now we are trying to create the purchase order. So I will do it from the beginning. I'm not saving this. MA21N. Select the vendor here. Enter. Give the purchasing organization TAP0 and purchasing group TA0. Enter. Select material here. Enter.
I'm unable to see your screen.
1 minute. Okay, I will do it again. Go to MA21N to create the purchase order. Select any supplier here. Give purchase organization, purchasing group, company code TA00. Enter. Select the material here. Enter. Give PO quantity, means how much quantity you are purchasing. 10 quantity at the rate, let's say 300 rupees. So it is not taking the net price, right? The reason being I will tell you. TAHP is the plant. Please enter a delivery date. So we'll keep delivery date as today's date. So it is asking us to enter the plant. TAHP. So while giving the net price, system is not accepting the net price. If you check the condition here, so it is showing zero value. It is not determining any condition. So normally you have to check. You have to check the condition type for MM. MM will have the pricing procedure. The T code is M/08. This is the standard pricing procedure for MM. If you select this, if you go inside and check, this is the standard gross price. This is the manual gross price. So if any discount is there, for each and everything, condition type will be maintained from the MM side. So gross price PPRO, PMPO is the manual price. So this is the gross value. So system is not able to fetch this condition type. The reason being, we have to do some more configuration related to this. How it can be done? It will be here. So this will be done by MM team. No need to worry about material management, purchasing. We have conditions. Under conditions, define price determination process. Under here, define schema group. Define schema group. And execute. Schema group for supplier. See, there are different schema groups are there. So I am selecting S1, okay, for our. Then schema group for purchasing organization. Again S1 I am selecting. So we can choose S1. Now this schema group should be assigned to our purchasing organization. So what is our purchasing organization? TAP0. So I am assigning S1 here to the. So we are linking this schema group to our purchasing organization. Then what happens? Once you go back, if you go to the define schema determination, if you select the first option, see S1 schema group for purchasing organization group supplier, this is linked to our pricing procedure A17001. Just now we have seen. And this S1 we need to link to our vendor master, BP master. Go to BP, select here, double click here, So if you scroll down, schema group one field is there. Okay, you need to select S1 here. So with the help of S1, it will fetch the standard pricing procedure. Yeah, now hopefully it should come now. Go to ME21N. Purchasing group TA0, TA00. Give the material master. PO quantity 10 quantity at the rate of, so I will write the delivery date at the rate of 300 rupees. See, now system is fetching the condition type. You can analyze. If you go to analyze, see A17001, it is fetching. So pricing procedure was not fetched before. Because of that, we have done this configuration setting. Okay, schema group is then we have assigned. So you also need to follow same thing. Give the plant here. TAH0. Enter, 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 and you can also give storage location of TAH0. You can go to the invoice here, select V0, go to the condition here. So what is the amount? 10 quantity at the rate of 300 rupees. So what is the total value? 3000 rupees. This is the gross value. We don't have any discount and surcharge. Okay. Everything is zero. Discount is zero. Net price is 3000. Now you can post this. Before posting, you can check. So no message issued during the check means it is okay to be posted. Click on save. So our purchase order is created. This is the purchase order 45101. Okay. Now with reference to this purchase order, we need to post good received. Good received from vendor. Transaction code is MIGO, user job. So at this point of time, your stock of raw material debit, GRIR account credit. This accounting entry will fetch. Okay, how much? 3000 and 3000. Now go to SAP, close this. Go to transaction code MIGO. Goods movement. So here you select option good received against purchase order. Okay, there are so many options are there. So we are receiving the goods against purchase order. Enter. So like we have document type in finance. So this is called movement type in So when you are receiving the goods against the purchase order, 101 is the standard movement type. Okay. Now you have to give here purchase order number. So 45101. This is the purchase order number we have created. Click on execute. So once you click on execute, it will fetch the information based on the PO, purchase order number. Okay. Now scroll down. So here item okay. Then quantity, how much quantity? 10 quantity. Here also you have to write 10 quantity. Where, which plant? See, Hyderabad plant TH storage location is given. Okay. So now everything is okay. Just you need to activate item okay here, and in the where tab you have to select the plant and storage location, which is coming by default. Click on check before you post. So document is okay. Now click on post. So this is the material document. Okay. You have to display, if you want to display the material document, again come here, click on display. So this is the material document. Just execute. So if you look at here in the material document, it is only recording the quantity. You want to see the accounting document? Click here, document information, FI document. So if you look at here, there are two documents are recorded. One is accounting, one is for material ledger, because we have activated the material ledger, right? First we'll check the accounting document. What is the accounting entry? See, stock of raw material is debited, GRIR account is credited. You want to see the transaction key also, you can see, check that. TRA and message. Payment transaction, no. There it should show a transaction key also, or we'll say transaction type. No, it should show transaction key also. See, transaction. Okay. This is only transaction. Okay. Now I will again show you. Go to accounting document, change layout, type transactions. This one. Bring it here. So your stock account is getting fetched based on what? BSX. This is important. This you need to remember, Vasikh and Aparna, always. So stock account, raw material, we have assigned to the BSXT, BSX account key, and GRR account, WRX. Where we have assigned, again I will show you. OBYC, BSX. What is our chart of account? TA00. See, X100 is our valuation modifier. Valuation class is TARM, raw material. To this we have assigned inventory account 20010. Same inventory account is fetch here 20010 with the help of BSX. And GRR account we have assigned this. Go back, WRX account key. Double click, see, TRM 10010, 100, and 3000 is the amount because we have received 10 quantity at the rate of 300 rupees. Understood? This you need to remember. At the time of good receive, stock of raw material is debited and GRR account is getting created. In BSX is a transaction key which raw material will get fetch, and WRX is a transaction key GRR account get fetch. Now you can notice the material master also, because we have not given any price in the material master, right? At the time of creation of material master MM03 TA00 RMX1. So in case of moving average price, you just go and check in the accounting one tab. If you scroll down, see now it is showing the value. Price per unit 300 per unit, and inventory value is now 3000 rupees. So in case of moving average price, whenever you are receiving the goods and whenever you are issuing the goods, okay, system will update the price here. Now we have received the goods from the vendor 10 quantity at the rate of 300 rupees. So it is showing price per unit is 1 at the rate of 3000 rupees. Okay. I mean, one unit at the rate of 300 rupees. Total value of stock we have is 300 rupees. Sorry, 3000. Understood this one? At the time of creation of material master, we have not given any price here. You remember, for moving average price, system will update automatically. So now, once you issue the goods to the production department, it will again reduce the stock here. Okay. I want answer from both of you. You understand this or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what is the accounting entry? You remember, right? Now you have Myro. Invoice received from vendor. This concept is called Myro. Then you have this GRR account will get debit. Then vendor account credit. And you have any GST also, it will GST input will be debit. At this point of time, we are not proceeding with any GST because tax codes are not ready for this company code. So
Sir,
3000.
can we pause for 5 minutes and get back by 10:15?
Sorry,
Can we take a break until 10:15 for 5 minutes?
you want to take a break?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Just 1 minute. I will just pause this now.
Okay, sure.
Just it will take few minutes only. Go to Myro. It will ask for company code TA00. Enter. Give the invoice date. Enter. Give reference A11. Any reference you can give. Calculate. So business place you need to give. Oh, business place is not created. Okay, you'll take a break. We'll take a break. 10:15 we'll meet.
Yes, sir.
Oh, no.